What are you reading? Are you reading your words book? Oh, you want to change the... Here, page. Can you say eyes? Eye. Yeah, eyes. Can you say nose? Nose. Can you say ouch? Good girl. Can you say hi? Say hi. Hi. Yes, eyes. Do you like the word eyes? What do you hear? What do you hear? What do you hear? Where's Sophie's eyes? Where's your nose? Sophie, where's your nose? Oh. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Good girl. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye?